today we've got something truly special to talk about. Sony's latest flagship beast, the Sony Xperia 17 review. This phone has been hyped for months now, and it's finally here. So, let's dive deep and see whether this sleek, spec-packed device is truly worth that premium price tag. Starting with design, Sony knows how to stick to its identity. The Xperia 17 follows the same tall and slim design language we've seen in previous models. It's minimalist, professional, and, let's be honest, pretty sleek. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus on the front and back. Aluminum frame. IP65, IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. I absolutely love that they've kept the side-mounted fingerprint sensor integrated with the power button. It's fast and super intuitive. And for all the creators out there, yes, Sony still includes that dedicated camera button, which feels great to use. Cut to B-roll of user pressing the camera shutter button. Oh, and a round of applause for Sony, because in 2025, they've still kept the 3.5mm headphone jack and expandable storage. Legends. The Xperia 17 features a 6.56-inch OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 1080 x 2340. Now, yes, it's not 4K like some of its predecessors. That might be a deal-breaker for die-hard Xperia fans. But make no mistake, this panel is gorgeous. Vibrant colors, deep blacks, and buttery smooth scrolling. I've been gaming, watching Netflix, YouTube, and honestly, it still feels flagship. Maybe the lower resolution helps with battery efficiency too. Under the hood, you're getting the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, 12GB of RAM, and 256GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD, by the way. This phone is fast. Whether you're gaming, editing 4K videos, or running multiple apps, the Xperia 17 handles it all like a champ. And with Android 14 out of the box and at least a few years of updates promised, Sony's keeping it future-proof. Also, major kudos for the efficient cooling system. Even after long gaming sessions, it barely gets warm. All right, this is where the Xperia 17 really flexes. 50MP wide lens, 12MP telephoto, 12MP ultra-wide, Zeiss optics, and optical image stabilization. This is a phone for serious creators. You've got full manual controls, pro video apps, and incredibly natural colors. Whether it's stills or video, the results are phenomenal. Cut to selfies and vlog-style footage using front cam. And the 50MP front camera? Insanely sharp. Great for selfies, Zoom calls, or vlogging. This is probably my favorite smartphone camera experience in 2025 so far, especially if you know your way around manual settings. The Xperia 17 packs a 5100 mAh battery, and yes, it goes the distance, easily a full day with heavy use. It supports 33W fast charging, wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. Charging speed isn't the fastest compared to other flagships, but hey, I'll take longer life over faster juice any day. Pros: premium, durable build, gorgeous OLED display, pro-level cameras with Zeiss optics. Headphone jack and microSD support, long battery life. Cons: display capped at 1080p. Charging speed could be faster, premium price, $1,399. So who is this phone really for? If you're a photography enthusiast, content creator, or a professional who needs a reliable device with expandable storage and unmatched manual controls, this one is for you. And if you're someone who appreciates good audio, cinematic visuals, and a clean Android experience, you're gonna love it. The Sony Xperia 17 doesn't try to be flashy. It doesn't chase trends. What it does is deliver a refined, purpose-driven experience that puts power in the hands of creators. It may not be for everyone, but for those who get it, this could be the phone of the year.